Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys how I wash my hair. So we'll see this turn into wash hair. Please subscribe, follow me to my social media and subscribe to my channel. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, family, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go to the video. This is everything I need to wash my hair. So I need a comb, of course, to comb my hair because it's really hard if I don't comb in the shower. I need a shampoo. This is shampoo? Yeah, this shampoo and conditioner. I need those three stuff to wash my hair. So that's everything I need. And yeah, everything I need. I'm excited. Big blow up this year because my hair was really weak and it was really tricky. I will. But this year I learned a lot. I just use the conditioner over here when I take shower. So I will take shower and I come back and take this off.
Few minutes later.
Then I just leave like this. I don't use any glue because he damaged my hair a long time ago, like a lot, years ago. And I don't use it, and that's why my hair gets really. And yeah, I will put in twister and I will rinse the twisters. So when I open the hair to comb, it will be easier. If I leave like this, it will be hard. hair. So my eyes are red, I think so, because my eyes are always red when I'm taking a shower. So this is everything, guys. So please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to this video, and please share this video with your friends, and stay tuned because I'm ready my hair. I'm doing another video, so please watch this video to the end so you guys support me. And that's the really, this is hard to do videos, but I love doing videos, so no nothing. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video, and follow me on my social media. I will leave my the link down below, and please stay tuned and